Hi everyone, what is up? Hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. In today's video is going to be an unboxing video. So for you guys who do not know, I actually wear prescription eyeglasses, and this is actually my first time from the Goggles4u company. So I hope this works out for me because I'm just so excited, like what I said. And it's about time for me to get a fresh pair, just so because my older ones are fully scratched. You know, life happens, and I'm so glad that somebody from Goggles4u, which is Danielle, reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try their glasses. I wanted to show to you guys first the eyewear that I have selected on the side, and we're gonna see if it's really going to look like that in person, if it's more of like maybe it looks good in the photo on the website compared to, you know, the one in real life. If I make any sense, I don't make any sense, but yeah. These are the ones that I have ordered. I will link it down below if you guys ended up liking it. So this one actually is so cute. First time I saw it online, I was like, that's actually really cool. Though my first option was actually the pilot glasses. It's more of like an aviator, but they don't have it in stock. Maybe it's so popular. And then next I have this rectangled eyewear. So let's go ahead and open it up. Super excited. By the way, when you order these online, mine came in almost, I would say like almost 2 weeks. But I would say like for a prescription, I would say that's actually really fast compared to the other ones that I have encountered with in the past. Ooh! So this is what the eyeglass packaging looks like. It is a hard shell cover, and it actually mimics, you know, a leather packaging. So I'm glad that it came in a packaging like this, just so because I can just throw it in my bag and not worry about it being crushed and all of that. So it's not labeled which one, but let's go ahead and open it up. I'm excited. Oh, it has a cover. Oh, okay. I chose the lenses to be clear so I can just wear it every day. There is an extra nose padding, which is great because I can remember in the past some of my prescriptions nose padding, you know, when you have like sweat on it, they tend to like break or oil. So they have these extra nose pads. I'm definitely gonna keep this. And then I love this cloth right over here. You can use it to clean your eyeglasses. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so pretty. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's even prettier the way I imagined it. I freaking love it. It definitely looks so expensive. So it's a combination of plastic and metal. You can see like the side details. This pair is so stunning. Don't worry guys, I'll link it down below for you. So beautiful. Freaking love that. I'm kind of nervous to try it on. I mean, I gave the right prescription, but I hope it's, you know, perfectly aligned to my face shape. Oh my gosh, I freaking love this. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna zoom you guys in.
Do it again.
I like this one. To me, it fits just so perfect. It's an oversized one, but to me, it's really perfect. I'm pretty sure if I wear this outside again, outside world, I'm pretty sure people are gonna ask me where I got it. But I really love the style of this one. Love it for sure. Now let's go ahead and try the next style. I'm trying to be very careful on this one because I really love it. It actually exceeded the way I expected, you know, it exceeded my expectations, that's what I'm trying to say. Now the next one that I've tried is of course the one that I already showed it to you guys, but we'll see. Now if you're ordering prescriptions, make sure that you guys, you know, select the clear lenses if you guys wanted this one, okay? This one came with a yellow cleaning cloth. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. Finally. Finally, finally, finally. I love it. I freaking love it. This actually reminded me of some Gucci eyewears. Actually very similar to like a luxury brand, and I love it. I love it. And it doesn't even cost that much. This is what it looks like on this side. Now this one is entirely plastic, except of course like the hinges right over here, but has a beautiful, more of like a leopard design here. Definitely reminded me of Gucci. I was actually looking at their eyeglasses over and over and over, and I'm so glad that I stumbled upon this one because it's not even a fraction. It's very affordable. Also on the nose part, it's not padded. And then, not to mention, this is actually very lightweight as well. I love oversized glasses. I think they're so trendy and so cute. Okay, let's try it. I love it. Now, I think for somebody who loves makeup, I think the best part about the eyewears that I have selected is that my lashes is not pushing the glasses. And I can't decide which one I like better, but I definitely like them both. Again, I have been craving to get oversized glasses for a really long time now, and the fact that I can just wear this while, you know, it looks fashionable, and I'm pretty sure it's definitely gonna match majority of my clothes, so I'm pretty happy with this. So I just want to give you guys another close-up look before I go ahead and give you guys my overall thoughts about this service and prescriptions. So at this point, I don't even know which one is my favorite. I'm just really torn between the clear one and the brown one, but I do love them both. They're so different. I really love everything that I got from this company. I'm just so grateful that they have reached out to me. You guys should definitely check it out because they do have a lot of options. I feel like Goggles4u is definitely more of like a luxury dupe when it comes to eyewear, because I'm telling you, like, it took me a while to decide which one I like because I feel like I want everything. So beautiful, so affordable, and not to mention that they shipped it out so fast, you know, considering these are prescriptions. And also I want to say that their customer service is on the dot all the time. If you have any questions, they reply like that, you know. I do apologize if I don't have any exclusive coupon for you guys, but actually if you sign up for them, there's actually a 20% off. On top of that, their eyeglasses starts at $6.95, which is amazing. And right now they actually have a BOGO deal, so it's like a discount on top of it. So many deals, so many options. You guys are going to love it. So again, this is not a sponsored post. If I were you, I'm gonna go ahead and check that out. So again, if you guys love the designs that I have worn today, I'll link it for you down below. So that is pretty much it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you are still not part of the Sassy family, make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn your post notifications on, and I'll see you next time. Bye!